Hi everyone, it's Josh from the First Time Father. I got a new haircut for the video. I went to the same place that baby Zephyr gets his haircut. Today's video is about day 30 of Ryan Fischer's 30-day carb cycling lifestyle challenge. It's done. We made it. Over the last 30 days, we stuck to the protocol almost exactly. There's definitely things we can improve on. Like the biggest one for me is definitely the carb timing and positioning the 30% of those carbs after the workout and then splitting them up as Ryan advises in his protocol. Let's talk about my experience and what I think of the program. Day one, I was about 79 kilos, 78.8 kilos to be exact, which is 174 pounds. And we had our ups and downs, as you can see during some of those previous videos. We were fortunate enough to recalculate our calories and drop them even further twice along this 30-day challenge. Not by much, but we just recalculated every 5 pounds as Ryan lays out in his protocol. Day 30, today, I weighed in at 73.5 kilos, or that's 162 pounds. So we did it. We got a good change in weight. That's 5.3 kilos or just under 12 pounds of weight loss. And I didn't have that much to lose to begin with. Obviously I did because I lost it, but I'm far leaner now than what I've ever been before, especially in my adult life. So I was not expecting to have this amount of change in my body composition because obviously I'm used to doing more activity and working out regularly because it's part of my job. So I'm honestly surprised by these results, but I'm so happy with them. I didn't think I had that much to lose. And right now I'm looking at myself and my body composition and I'm thinking I can take it a little bit further. Maybe go down to about 70 kilos and just be really lean and shredded. But I got to figure out if that is the next goal that I want to pursue. Because in 2 weeks time, I have the Gold Coast Half Marathon. So it's 21.1 Ks. And my goal for that race is 1 hour, 35 minutes. Under that. So sub 1 hour, 35. So I think that's going to be pushing it for me. That's why I've set the goal just out of reach. But I know on the day I'm going to smash it. I'm seriously pumped with my results. 5.3 kilos, 12 pounds. That's mind-blowing to me. I was not expecting it, as I've already said. In my testimonial, I wrote, I've almost effortlessly been able to lose weight. Now, the reason why I say almost effortlessly, because it's obviously not just completely effortless. The things that make it effortless are if you prioritize your goal, you calculate your macros, and you calculate your calories, and then you ensure that your meals do not exceed those numbers so it doesn't push you over. So it was almost effortless if you set yourself up for success in the kitchen like that, and then you were just active, more active than normal. You didn't even have to be working out. I personally worked out because that's my normal lifestyle and that's what my body's used to, and I'm training for the half marathon. Just be more active than what you normally are. The almost part in almost effortless, because there's a little bit of friction, or sometimes a lot of friction. I say almost because it's not always easy to stay committed and consistent to your goals or to whatever you're focusing on. And particularly during carb cycling, on the low carb days, sometimes it was significantly harder than others to stay on track. And that's where the consistency and commitment to your goals and making sure you're going to achieve it, being relentless on that, that's where the almost comes from. So yeah, it's almost effortless. Ryan Fischer's protocol, I rate highly, and I'd seriously recommend it to all my friends and family. I'm recommending it to you guys. Get out of your comfort zone, join the 30-day challenge, and fully commit to it. The Facebook group is awesome. It'll keep you accountable, and you can help people, and you might get help from other people in the community. Ryan's got some great resources. He gives you access to his app free for 30 days. So if you don't have a workout routine, or you've never been in the gym before, you've got direction there straight away. Overall, seriously, I think Ryan is doing great things and he's literally changing people's lives. Anyone who needs a good place to start for weight loss or for a body recomposition, seriously, check out Ryan Fischer and Chalk Performance. Check out their programs and their protocols and just start. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to document it along the way. I wanted to do this so I could help people and maybe expose a few more people to Ryan, to carb cycling, and to helpful information that might help them on their journey to achieving their goals. So that's it. In summary, I highly rate Ryan Fischer's 30-day challenge and his carb cycling lifestyle protocol. The Facebook group is a great tool, great community with people who are willing to help and answer questions, including myself. If I saw a question that I thought that I could answer with accurate information and help the person asking the question, then I did. And I provided them with the information that I knew best. Like I did in the video about how to calculate your macros for carb cycling. Get out of your comfort zone. Do something different. And for me, that was literally just joining the Facebook group and being active in that whilst following a protocol that I hadn't done before. 30 days can change your life. Now, I'm quite a shy person. Well, maybe not shy, but a little bit introverted. So I've been tossing up for the last couple of days if I was going to share my actual before and after pictures, which we needed to take to be a part of the challenge. So after a day or so of thinking about my feelings on it and just in my own head about it, I then thought of you guys and the reason why I'm doing this YouTube channel and the reason why I'm documenting my process. It's not all for me. Yeah, there's parts in there for me. I enjoy this. I actually really enjoy making videos and putting good information out there. And I feel that I can positively impact a lot of people. So with that frame of mind, here is my before and after pictures. 5.3 kilos or just under 12 pounds in 30 days on Ryan Fischer's 30-day carb cycling lifestyle challenge. As you can see, I'm happy. I'm looking lean, I'm feeling good, I have a lot of energy, and to top it all off, the last day of the challenge being today is a high carb day. From here, I'm just gonna maintain the way I've been eating over the last 30 days. I'm just gonna maintain that up until a few days before the half marathon, and then 2 days out, I'm going to deliberately increase my carbohydrates so that I'm fully stocked up and ready to go, and my pre-race nutrition is all squared away and locked in to set me up for success on race day. Not just for my half marathon, but also for the kids' fun run straight after it, which is 2Ks. Me and Leo are gonna smash that one in together. He is so keen. I think he wants to win it. Meanwhile, I just want to survive. So instead of just doing 21.1 for the day, I'm gonna end up at about 23Ks. There's that go one more mindset. I'm doing an extra 2Ks. If you want to make a change and maybe lose some weight, then I seriously recommend Ryan Fischer's 30-day carb cycling lifestyle challenge. It's good to go. Check it out.